Amber Heard questioned the likelihood of other women involved with Johnny Depp coming forward about abuse. "Look what happened to me. Would you?" Amber Heard spoke to NBC's Savannah Guthrie in her first major interview since the defamation trial. Guthrie told Heard that Depp's lawyers argue that no other woman involved with Depp claimed abuse. Heard questioned if they would have come forward given the pushback she received after coming forward. Amber Heard questioned whether or not any other women who had been involved with Johnny Depp would have come forward about any abuse. In an exclusive interview with NBC News, host Savannah Guthrie told Heard, his lawyers argued at trial that none of his prior relationships, not one woman, has come forward and said he physically hit them. "You were the only one. Look what happened to me when I came forward," Heard replied. "Would you?" In the aftermath of Heard and Depp's divorce, allegations of abuse, and various trials, Heard was largely vilified on social media. Several of Depp's exes either spoke out during the trial or testified in court. Winona Ryder, who dated Depp from 1989 to 1993, said she was shocked and confused by Heard's allegations against Depp, saying her experience was completely. Kate Moss, who dated Depp between 1994 and 1998, and testified in court, denied rumors that Depp ever pushed her down the stairs. Vanessa Paradis, who dated Depp for 14 years, said she's always known Depp to be a kind, attentive, generous and non-violent person. Others like Ellen Barkin, who dated Depp in 1994, testified that Depp was jealous and controlling. Heard told Guthrie she hoped the jury would have been able to see a binder's worth of notes containing medical documents from her doctor, to whom she reported abuse. This was Heard's first major interview since losing a defamation trial against her ex-husband. Earlier this month, a jury ruled that Depp be awarded $15 million in damages for defamation and that Heard was owed $2 million in damages. Guthrie has previously revealed a potential conflict of interest in the interview, after revealing that his husband, Michael Feldman, was a consultant for Depp's legal ethics. Experts have said Guthrie should not have interviewed Heard over the conflict of interest. Johnny Depp's lawyer says jury didn't believe Amber Heard because she didn't take accountability for anything. During an interview on Today, Depp's lawyer said why he felt the jury didn't believe Amber Heard. "My sense is that it has a lot to do with accountability," Benjamin Chew said. Johnny owned his issues, he added. On Wednesday, Johnny Depp's lawyers Camille Vasquez and Benjamin Chew went on the Today Show to talk about their client winning his defamation claim over his ex-wife Amber Heard. When Savannah Guthrie asked the lawyers why the jury didn't believe Heard, they said it came down to one thing: accountability. "My sense is that it has a lot to do with accountability," Chew told Guthrie. Johnny owned his issues. He was very candid about his drug and alcohol issues. He was candid about some unfortunate texts that he wrote. And I think it was a sharp contrast to Ms. Heard, who didn't seem, or at least the jury may have perceived, that she didn't take accountability for anything. One of the major moments in the trial when Heard's accountability was questioned was when the actress took the stand and recounted a claim that Depp once pushed then-girlfriend Kate Moss down a flight of stairs in the 1990s, recounting a fight she had with Depp in 2015, in which Heard said she hit Depp in the face. Heard said, "I don't hesitate. I don't wait. I instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs and I swung at him." Later in the trial, Moss testified via video stream and denied that Depp ever pushed her down the stairs, rather that he came to assist her after she slipped. "I screamed because I didn't know what had happened to me, and I was in pain," Moss said, "and he came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention." The model testified that she and Depp were at a resort in Jamaica while they were dating, sometime between 1994 and 1998. "We were leaving the room, and Johnny left the room before I did," she said. "And there had been a rainstorm. And as I left the room, I slid down the stairs and I hurt my back," Jurors found both Depp and Amber Heard liable for defamation against each other after less than 3 days of deliberations. They awarded Depp $15 million in damages from Heard, though that award was later revised down to just over $10 million, and awarded Heard $2 million in damages from Depp filed a defamation suit against Heard in response to an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post that detailed her experience with domestic violence. Depp's name wasn't mentioned, but the article was widely interpreted as being about him. According to Depp's $50 million lawsuit, Heard fabricated an incident where she accused Depp of beating her and had, in fact, verbally and physically assaulted him on numerous occasions. Heard denied the claims and countersued for $100 million, alleging Depp physically beat her numerous times in their relationship, often while intoxicated on drugs and alcohol.